Hi vlog. I look such a mess right now, but it is holiday prep time, so I'm gonna go and get my lashes done today. Tomorrow I'm doing my nails, and then Saturday hair, and then I'm flying out. So yeah, I look a mess because I've just come from work. I literally look like I work in a restaurant, but yeah.
I feel a chemistry. I won't let no.
Hi, how are you? I'm good. I'm just gonna sit here. I'm just gonna quickly talk to you guys while I'm in the toilet. So basically, I just got to my appointment. Look at this. I just got to my appointment. She's still doing someone's like eyebrows or lashes or something. I'm not sure. I'm all sweaty. I'm really flustered because I had to do so much. Literally, this is how I feel like. But yeah, I'm whispering. I don't want them to hear me talking to myself.
I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my...
Hi vlog. Yesterday you saw me get my lashes done. Today I'm gonna go and get my nails done. This is atrocious. This one is even lifting, so that is not it. I'm literally doing a holiday prep vlog, and yeah, yesterday I did my lashes. Today I'm gonna do my nails. Tomorrow is my wax, and I'm getting my hair done. I was good. I shaved my face today. This is why I look so glowy, and I like did my eyebrows as well, but they look a bit jacked, I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday was like such a good day, but then also such like a weird day. Like the morning of it was really weird because like I broke my hair clip, I slipped on a sock and nearly cracked my head open. A lot was going on, and then I had to leave work yesterday, rush to go to my lash appointment, and I was a bit scared I was gonna be late. But it doesn't even, I forget that with my lash tech, like it doesn't matter if I'm late because she's never on time. So I'm there like, I need to go. Get there now. Did we not start until half an hour later? Yeah, we did. So yeah. But look at my lashes. Aren't they so nice? I love getting lash extensions. I love it. So yeah. I'm gonna finish packing today. Finish washing my makeup brushes. I've washed my hair, ready for tomorrow's install. And yeah. Let's get ready with me for my holiday. Okay, bye vlog. My camera's a bit dirty. One sec. Hey vlog. Wait for that motorcycle to go past because it's quite loud. I was gonna vlog on my camera, and then did I not leave my camera at home? After I did that little intro telling you, lot, oh, I'm just gonna go get my nails done, la 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 la, ratata, ratata, ratata. No, I'm joking. Oh, my skin looks really good. After I got a new strap for my watch. How nice is that? That's so nice, right? Yeah, so after I said to you guys I was gonna go get my nails done, I put my camera away, zipped it up, and I don't know what I did. I just don't know what I did. I think I just put the camera back on the bed, and I literally just forgot it. And yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna vlog with my back camera. This is awkward. I hate vlogging with my back camera because I can't see if I'm in focus or not. I don't want to get my phone stolen. So I'm gonna go and get my nails done.
If I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me what you see, what's the point?
I was bending. This nail is trying to come off. These are my nails. I forgot to do like a before and after, so there's no transition thing going on here. But yeah.
Come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million.
Morning vlog. So as you already know, I did my nails yesterday. So cute and simple. But let's get this to focus. So cute and simple. I love them. I'm gonna go and get my wax now, and then I'm gonna go and get my hair done. We're going back to curly hair, so I will not be looking like a toe anymore. That's pretty much all that I wanted to really say. I forgot my camera yesterday, so I have to vlog on my phone. I will not be doing that again today. I have a few other bits that I need to get today as well. Like just like a hair clip, because I broke my hair clip. Ugh, so jarring.
Your love, your love. I think it's like a nail growing underneath.
Hey vlog. So basically I finished my wax now. I was running a bit late. I don't know if you can hear me, people talking in the background, but I was running a bit late for my hair appointment, and I was really nervous. So I was like, I'm like 20 minutes late, and I was gonna get a cab, but the cab was extortionate, so I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. That's just, nah, I don't believe like a cab from Canberra to Peckham should be £15. I just feel like that's just not one. But yeah, I'm about to get my hair done now, so when you see me next I will have curly hair, and I am officially hairless. Like honestly, I've never had my legs waxed before, but it was such a good experience. Like, and the woman was really, really lovely. She was super friendly, and yeah, gonna get my hair done now, so I'll talk to you later.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views, feeling every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around.
Ooh. Ooh.
My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away.
Finished my hair, looking good. I feel really holiday ready. Like my hair's done. She gave me edges that I can redo myself. Yeah, she gave me edges that I understand how to swoop. It's a bit cold now. My hair's done, my nails are done, my lashes are done. I've been waxed. Everything is pretty much done now. I feel like this is, my hand is hurting. And yeah, I just feel so good. Like I don't get how people don't go and get their hair done, because me, see me, yeah, when I get my hair done I just feel like a brand new person. I feel confident, I feel happy, I can do anything I want to bloody do because my hair's done. Like I'm just that girl now. My hair's done. And yeah, also I have no makeup on, by the way. None whatsoever, and I don't know what's going on, but my skin looks amazing. I don't know if it's because I got a tan from when I was sat in the sun for like 2 hours. I'm not really sure, but yeah, this is really awkward for me to vlog in Peckham, because those of you that know what Peckham is, it is really, really something. So sorry. So yeah, so I'm just gonna get some food now, do some more bits and bobs, get a few things, and yeah, I'm gonna go now because the lighting is not great. My hands is kind of hurting and it's a little bit cold. When it was sunny, it's no longer sunny. Now it's a little bit cold. Do you know what though? Before I go, I want to say one thing. I like Peckham. Let me tell you why I like Peckham. Because in Peckham, you can vlog freely and no one is watching you. No one is staring at you because they don't give a fuck. They got things to do. Anywhere else in London, when I try and vlog, people stare at me. They stare at me like I'm paying their bills. They stare at me like I owe them money. They stare at me like I've come back from the dead. Okay, do you know what? Can you tell a lie? Those people there just stared at me. They were eyeing me. But yeah, I'm gonna go get some food though. I'm gonna go Macca's. Okay. I need a... I just crossed the road. Imagine it. You never know who's watching you, which is why it's so scary. Oh, this queue is long. This queue is so long. There's even a McDonald's in Camberwell. I'll just go Camberwell. There's always one man preaching about God. With a speaker. With a speaker. Hi vlog. I'm back. Back. And I've got curly hair. Curly Sue. Curly Ann. Ooh. You look cute as... Okay, my skin looks so good. Will I even wear makeup on this holiday? I don't think I will, you know. I don't think I will. Like, I really don't think I will, because this is mad. I'm glowing. And because I shaved my face freshly yesterday as well, I'm glowing. But yeah, anywho, I need to go change my money now. And I'm going to go H&M to see if I can find sandals. I went into Primark to see if I could find sandals. I didn't have any sandals. So that was a bump. But look how nice my hair looks. So cute. So cute. Okay, bye vlog. See you. I think I'll see you when I'm going on the going to the airport, because I don't think I'm going to show you guys when I pack, because I don't know, I'm not that kind of person, and I don't think I'm going to show you anything else for the night. I think this is me checking out for the day, and I will see you tomorrow when it's go time. Ooh, ah, Zante. Say ooh, ah, Zante. You know, like ooh, ah, Malia, but Zante. Oli, oli, oli. No, I'm not gonna do that because it's not that kind of holiday. But yeah, bye, love you. Bye, love you. Ew, cringe. I'm not gonna say I love you to the camera. That's so weird. Hi vlog. Hi camera. Bye.